Okay, another notebook. I'm going to use the Water Unicorn Gloss Self-Adhesive pastel colours, and I've already put it on my mat, and I've already downloaded the art that I want. And I've made this for a t-shirt, but I'm going to try and make it for a notebook as well. So let's try and show you this. Born to be a unicorn. So I'm going to cut it. Cut speed 1, pressure 0, and I need to adjust my blade because at the moment it's too high, to half. There you go, half. And it's going to be this straightforward cut, so I haven't got to worry about reversing images. The paper on self-adhesive vinyl goes to the mat. It's going to take 4 minutes. I'll bring you back when we're ready. Okay, so I've cut this off as my spare. I've weeded the unicorn. You can't see the lettering very well, so if I hold it up to the light you will be able to, but you'll be able to see it when it's on the book. And then I'm going to put it on a transfer sheet. And I also wanted to show you, I've used some of this edging to create some decoration on the book before I finish it with the front. I'll line them up on the book and then I'll bring you back. Okay, so we're all lined up on the book. Just give it a rub and then hold it flat to itself and peel away. If any bits aren't stuck, let's go back. And peel away. And there you go. Born to be a unicorn. I've just ran a bright pink Sharpie pen in the gaps of the wording to bring it out and make it more obvious and easy to see. So there you go, born to be a unicorn.